We have a triangle here, ABC. And what we want to do with that triangle is we want to rotate the triangle. So we're going to rotate this triangle. Let's write what we're going to do here. So we're going to rotate triangle ABC 270 degrees. Let's do it counterclockwise. So we're going to be going this way, right? About point, I don't know, let's go with A. Okay, that's the problem. Let's make a solution for this problem. So first step to do, get your tracing paper. And on the tracing paper, what I like to do is to draw my own axes. So there we go. Put the points down, join the points, and theoretically I'm going to have a lovely set of axes on my tracing paper. And by taking the time, the extra time to do this, I heighten the likelihood of a really accurate rotation. So okay, so now I've got my axes. It says I'm going to be rotating around point A, right? So here I'm going to be rotating, not here, okay, not around 0, 0. So I can forget for now about the pink axes. I'm going to be ignoring the pink axes for now and concentrating, pretending that A is 0, 0 in terms of where I put my tracing paper. So I'm going to put my tracing paper with the crosshairs, if you like, the 0, 0 on my tracing paper, right on point A, because that is the pretend, if you like, 0, 0. So here is going to be A, and I just plot the other points. So that point is B, and this point here is C. Okay, I'm going to be rotating 270 degrees clockwise. I'm going to be going this way, okay? And counterclockwise, I should say, it goes this way, against the direction of the hands of a clock. So I'm going to use this as my reference axis. So this reference axis here, it needs to go to here, which would be 90 degrees, here, which would be 180 degrees, around to here, which is 270. So it needs to work all the way around to align with this grid line on the paper. So if I do that, just go anti-clockwise, and I go like so, I go like so. So far, I've rotated at 90 from here to here, 90. Here's A underneath there, so I just go around. That's 180. I'm aiming for here with this axis, and I keep going around, and there we go, I'm on this line. So just realign everything so it's perfect as I can get it. It's not quite there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so A dash will be the same spot here. B dash will be here, C dash here. These are the new points here, here, and here are going to be the image of ABC. So I can plot A dash, B dash, C dash just by looking where this point is and lifting the paper up like this and saying, right, that's going to be C dash. Yep, you can do it like that. Simple shapes, definitely you can do that. But I'm going to do the way I would do for any shape, because this always works, is I find the coordinates of A dash, B dash, and C dash. So to do that, I refer back to the original axis. In this case, it's pink, right? The original pink axis. So where is A dash? Well, it's -1, -1. So -1, -1. Where is B dash? Okay, so B dash is here. So again, count from 0, 0 on the original axis. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's -2, -4, and C is 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -4, -5. That's where C dash is. So you can take that away. Great. And now I just plot A dash. So -1, -1, -1, -1. That's going to be A dash. Great. B dash is -2, -4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be B dash right here. And C dash is -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's where we had it when we were trying the old lift up the corner of the paper trick. So next job, just draw triangle, the image of triangle ABC, which is the triangle A dash, B dash, and C dash. There we go, nearly done. Okay, label the points. So that is A, but it is also A dash. This is B dash, and this is C dash. And so we've rotated this original triangle 270 degrees counterclockwise all the way around. Finished. Job done.